Hey YouTube, it's me, Sue Ann, and I decided for my second video that I would do an unboxing of skincare. So I really went all out and I splurged at Steinmart and I got some hyaluronic acid because Lord knows I'm a wrinkly freak. So this particular box comes with a hyaluronic moisturizer and some sort of a water. Let me make that so you can see. I'm learning. There you go. And this was a whopping $12.99. Then I got some Thirsty Skin hydrogel under eye masks that kind of go in this sort of eyeglass region, which when you wear your readers just magnifies it. So I thought that might be helpful. And I've invested in myself $5. And then this is the Thirsty Skin mask, and you get 3 sheet masks in this box. And what I find ironic is that the graphic that they include is clearly not a sheet mask because the schnoz is not going to be cut that way. So they're already fake news. So anyway, and it says you have to wear it for 25 minutes. And the other little cute fun fact is that it says that I have to conduct a patch test for 24 hours before I try it. And I probably should because this was $8. But anyway, let me unbox it for you and we'll see what we have here. So here we go. Woo. We've got a cream and the water. And this is, let me tell you how many ounces this is. Because, gosh, for $13, we make sure we didn't want to get ripped off. And I guess we're going to get ripped off. 50 grams, 1.8 ounce. Most foundations come in jars that are 1 ounce. So this is just slightly under 2 ounces. And then we have a water, facial mist, hydrate and refresh. That always sounds like a good thing. So I'm not going to try any of these items today because that's just how I roll. I like to just tease. And these masks come in these bags like this. And then the eye masks come in, oh, you get a bunch, you get 6. So these are packaged thusly. So anyway, I thank you so much for letting me show you what my big cosmetic haul today, my skincare haul, because beauty is from without, not from within. Fun fact there also. Bye.